Last year, I was spending $4,000 a month on 3 things: a virtual assistant, a handful of SaaS tools, and my own time, which, if I'm being honest, is the most expensive thing on that list. 3 processes eating $48,000 a year. Lead generation, client follow-up, invoicing. I replaced all of it with one system. It cost me $7 a month to run. It took 1 afternoon to build, and it works while I sleep, while I travel, while I'm doing literally anything else. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what I built. Step by step, on screen, no coding, no fluff. And by the end of this video, you're going to have everything you need to copy it. Let's go. Before I show you the build, let me show you the math, because I think this is what's going to hit you first. I was paying a virtual assistant $1,800 a month. She was incredible, but 70% of what she did every single day was repetitive. The same tasks, the same sequences, the same copy-paste work that had nothing to do with judgment or creativity or relationships. It was mechanical work dressed up as a job. On top of that, $600 a month in tools, CRM, email platform, scheduling software, lead enrichment, tools that didn't talk to each other, tools I was manually connecting every single day like a human API. And then there was my time. I was spending 15 hours a week, 15 hours, on tasks that generated 0 strategic value. Follow-up emails, data entry, chasing invoices, moving information from one place to another. When I added it up, I almost laughed. $48,000 a year and 780 hours of my life. For work, a machine could do better. So I built the machine. Real quick before we build, everything I'm about to show you runs on a Hostinger VPS, and I want to show you why that matters. Most people who discover N8N, the automation platform we're using, start with the cloud version, which is fine, but it runs your automations on someone else's server at someone else's price point with someone else's limits. When I moved to a Hostinger VPS, I got a dedicated server running 24/7 for $6 and $99 a month. Hostinger has a one-click N8N template. You literally click one button and N8N is installed, configured, and ready to build. No command line, no terminal, nothing technical. Watch how fast this goes. That's it. That's the whole setup. 60 seconds, and we have a private automation server running around the clock for less than a streaming subscription. Link and discount code are in the description. Now let's build. The first workflow I replaced was lead generation. My VA was spending about 5 hours a week doing this manually, finding potential clients, finding their contact info, logging them into our CRM, drafting outreach emails, 5 hours every week, same process. Here's what that looks like automated. We start with a trigger. In this case, we're going to use a schedule trigger. This workflow runs automatically every morning at 7 a.m. Step 2, we pull in new leads. Instead of paying for expensive lead databases, we scrape Google Maps directly. We define our search, industry, city, keywords, and this workflow pulls business listings automatically. We loop through each result and extract business name, website, phone number, address, review count, and rating. No Apollo subscription, no per lead cost, just fresh local businesses pulled straight from Google Maps every morning. Step 3, we enrich the data. This node pulls in everything we know about each lead: company size, revenue, tech stack, recent news. The more context we have, the better the outreach. Step 4, and this is where it gets interesting. We send each lead information to OpenAI and we ask it to write a personalized opening line, not a template, an actual personalized sentence based on something real about their business. Step 5, we push everything directly into high level. Each lead is automatically created as a contact inside high level, tagged based on campaign and dropped into the correct pipeline stage. From there, outreach can trigger automatically inside high level. Or we can send directly via Gmail through N8N. This workflow runs every single morning while I'm making coffee, while I'm praying, while I'm thinking about what actually matters that day. The result, we went from generating about 40 leads a week manually to 200 leads a week automatically. And the personalization is better than what a rushed human produces at 9 a.m. on a Monday. 5 hours of VA time gone every week. The second workflow was follow-up, and this one was costing me more than time. It was costing me revenue. Leads were falling through the cracks. Someone would express interest, life would get busy, and 3 weeks later, I'd remember they existed. Too late. They'd moved on. Here's the automated follow-up sequence trigger. Whenever someone fills out a form on our website, that form sends a webhook directly into N8N. The moment it's submitted, the workflow starts. From there, we create the contact inside High Level, generate a personalized first touch email using AI, and send it immediately via Gmail. This entire sequence happens within seconds of form submission. From there, the workflow checks. Has this person been contacted before? If yes, how long ago? This prevents us from double emailing people or being annoying. If they're new, we send a warm, personal first touch. Then the workflow sets a reminder. In 3 days, if they haven't replied, it triggers a follow-up. In 7 days, another. In 14 days, a final check-in. All automatic, all personalized, all logged. The third workflow is the one that embarrassed me most. When I finally automated it, I was manually creating invoices, manually sending payment reminders, manually chasing late payments. Here's the fix. Trigger. When a task is marked complete inside ClickUp. ClickUp sends a webhook to N8N the moment that status changes. The workflow pulls client name, project scope, agreed price, any logged time. We then use the Stripe API to automatically generate either a payment link or a full invoice. Stripe sends it instantly to the client. Most project management tools, including ClickUp, integrate cleanly with Stripe via webhook, so this entire flow is lightweight and fast to implement. If the invoice isn't paid in 7 days, an automatic reminder goes out, friendly, professional, already written. If it's not paid in 14 days, a firmer one goes out. If it's not paid in 21 days, I get a Slack notification to handle it personally. Let me add this up. Lead generation, 5 hours a week, automated. Follow-up, 4 hours a week, automated. Invoicing, 6 hours a week, automated. Total, 15 hours a week returned to me. Every single week. That's 780 hours a year. Now here's the part I want you to really sit with, because this isn't actually about the money. The $4,000 a month is real. The math is real. But what changed my life wasn't the savings. It was getting my mornings back. It was knowing that while I'm doing the work that actually requires me, the thinking, the creating, the building of real relationships, the machine is handling everything else. It doesn't sleep. It doesn't call in sick. It doesn't have a bad week. You built a business because you wanted freedom. Automation is how you actually get it. Everything I built today is available as a template, link in the description. You can import the exact workflows into your own N8N instance and be running in an afternoon. To host it, I'm using Hostinger's VPS with the one-click N8N setup, $6.99 a month. The link and a discount code are below. If this landed for you, share it with one person who needs to hear it, and subscribe if you want more of this. We go deep here. Always. See you in the next one.